Welcome to IXL. My name is Lauren Obermiller, and this is my Education 161 Screencast Project. For this project, I have chosen to use IXL, which is an immersive adaptive learning site for students, teachers, and parents. Now, in the right-hand corner, you can see a login site. In this space, you can log in to view all of IXL skills and resources for a price. But for this tutorial, we will stick to the skills and subjects that IXL has to offer without becoming a member. As we scroll down on the home page, you can see all of the grade levels which are available here on IXL, from pre-K all the way to 12th grade. IXL now has Spanish for all ages, but for today we will stick to 2nd grade and choose from the grade level skills that are offered there. For 2nd grade, they offer math, language arts, and science and social studies. Each grade level has either 2 to 4 of the required skills and subjects for those levels. So if we wander into the language arts section of 2nd grade, we can drag our mouse over the skills, which here we have 222 skills. Once it's underlined, feel free to go ahead and click. This will take us to the Learning tab up in the green bar. The Learning tab provides you with all of the subjects that are available for this grade level, or for all of the grade levels. All of the grade levels include math, language arts, science, social studies, or Spanish, along with recommendations, diagnostics, and Common Core. The Common Core tab is interesting because it lets you track your students and their skills along with the Common Core standards for your state and your grade level. So on the 2nd grade language arts page, it provides you with the red headings so that you know you are in 2nd grade. But if you would like to change grade levels at any time, they are available on the left-hand side of your screen in their own colorful little blurbs. But we will stick with 2nd grade for now. 2nd grade is interesting because it has little red boxes up at the top, so you do not have to scroll to find your topics. So you can go ahead and pick which category you want. For me, I will choose vocabulary. Go ahead and click on the square once it is fully highlighted. This will take you automatically to the vocabulary section of the page. And in the green headings, you can see all of the subjects and skills within the vocabulary section of language arts. So when you drag your mouse over one of the skills, it will provide you with a skill preview, which will give you example questions and what this skill is like. So we'll take HH.3, choose the antonym. You can choose any of those skills on the former page, but for us right now, we will choose this one. So the question appears here in green. If you want to hear the question read out loud, you can by clicking the blue speaker button.
Which word is an antonym of hello?
And then your answers are the 2 boxes below, which can be highlighted in blue. If you would like to hear those read, you can click the blue speaker button by the answers.
Goodbye, please.
So now we can choose the answer, which clearly is goodbye. From hello, our antonym is goodbye. Once it's highlighted, you can go ahead and click on it and press submit. And if you get it correct, IXL will give you a positive little message in the green as you pass from one question to the next. And you can continue on with the same process of choosing your antonym for your sentence and your word. So this one is last, first is the correct answer. Go ahead and submit. Which word is an antonym of near? Now, I will choose the incorrect answer, which is next, just to show you what an incorrect answer looks like. So I will select next and hit submit. So if you get an answer incorrect, IXL will go ahead and let you know right away. As you scroll down the page, you can see the explanation of what the question was and what the answer options were and which one you answered. But below that, you can see the definition of what an antonym is, and it will give you the definition of the skill so that you can check your answer with that. And then in the orange box, it will say solve, and it will give you tips on how to solve such a problem. Once you understand what the problems were, go ahead and click Got It, and keep answering the same questions and the same steps until you master the skill at hand. If you return to the IXL homepage, you can see the analytics page up at the top in the same tab as the learning, and the inspiration page. Now the analytics page provides analytics on how IXL works and how your students will do and why it is important to use in small groups and in classrooms. The inspiration tab will then provide inspiration for teachers and parents wanting to explore more of IXL for their students. Thank you so much. Enjoy playing and learning.